If you own residential or commercial property, having the right amount of insurance is vital for protecting your investment and your financial security. Damage caused by weather or an unexpected lawsuit can cause crippling financial hardship for you or your business. You need to have the right property and casualty insurance so you're ready when something happens. We can help. Working with us is not like buying insurance online. We'll help assess your needs and explain what everything means so you understand what's available and your options to choose from. Property and casualty insurance protects you from wind, hail, and water, the most common claims. It also protects you from losses caused by fire, explosions, robberies, and even damage caused by a car or plane crash. You can also add coverage to address issues not generally included in a standard policy, like earthquakes and floods. The casualty portion helps you cover legal costs in the event you're found liable in a lawsuit. For example, if a visitor falls on your property or an employee is injured on the job. We'll also help you consider umbrella coverage, which protects your savings and other assets in the event you're responsible for damages that exceed the liability limits of your insurance policies. Make sure your property and your financial security are protected. Call us for a coverage review today.